Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, members, and all my dear friends. My name is Shahid Al Amin. I am a student of Umar bin Al Khattab Raziallahu Ta'ala anhu Shamawi Hafiziyya Madrasa. Today is 15th August, Independence Day of India. It is our national festival. We got freedom on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. So we are celebrating 80 Independence Day of our country, and we remember our freedom fighters on this day every year. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind.
Many thanks to the children. What is your name? Go ahead. Go ahead. I wish you bright success. Thank you.